Dog, 445 Mississippi, waving.
Well, hello to you, 445 there in Mississippi. Top of the afternoon to you. Tipping my hat, waving my hand right back.
Right back to Deputy Dog. Got a video gig rolling on you, so I'll put it up on YouTube later on. But you sounded mighty fine out there around the county today, Zippo.
Well, I appreciate that there, 445. Yeah, I got an old Buck Owens Watergate running myself. I'll put it up on YouTube under Deputy Dog Watergates after a while. Man, you'll be able to hear your station. That's what I like, back and forth. Hey, 445, I gotta say, old Mr. Squeaker, he be a guy that set up all my stuff, so I gotta give him some, high fives. Hey, 445, take care. Deputy Dog sitting on this old bar stool out here in Bakersfield. I'll see ya.
Buck Owens is, Deputy Dog, I know who Buck Owens is, Zippo.
410, everybody knows well, not everybody, but a lot of people know where old Buck Owens' Crystal Palace is. I put claim to it, but boy, I ain't got no stake in it, but I sure wished I had one. Hey, 445, appreciate the shout, Deputy Dog, I'll get out.
Deputy Dog, yeah, the money they got in that thing, I'd have me a big old box. Hey, Deputy Dog, I appreciate the wave. 445 Radio Man, Mississippi, I'll see ya.
All right, 445, yeah, if I had any kind of claim to that to where I could cash it at the bank, I'd have me some big old beer bottles. I wouldn't have these two little beer bottles tied together. I'd go up to the quart size. Hey, 445, have a great day while I lean back on this bar stool, hoping I don't fall and hit my head. I'll see ya.
Hey, Deputy Dog. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Hey, Deputy Dog, brother.
Well, hello there. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Right back to you. Good afternoon.
Yeah, I heard you out there trying to, I don't know, it sound like you're trying to get some high-dollar balls or something. Hey, Deputy Dog, sound like you're trying to tell somebody you're trying to get some expensive balls. What the hell is you talking about trying to get some high-dollar balls? You can't afford it. Hello to you, Deputy Dog, while you looking for some high-dollar balls, breaker?
Well, I wished I could get some high-dollar balls, but I actually said bottles. But you know, I like your thought better. That might make my life better, Roger.
Yeah, somebody on the mall somebody made it up. I think that's Dog. Somebody on, hey, wait a minute. Hey, Dog. Hey, Dog, you got a badge on. There's another dog out there. Hey, Deputy. I can't call you Dog. Hey, Deputy, there's another dog out there, but he ain't got no badge on. You got a freaking badge. And you got a, I ain't gonna get started. Hey, Deputy Dog, breaker. You got a whole
Hey, Switchblade, I'm going to have to send my old mule over there to arrest that other dog for impersonating me, maybe. Hey, Switchblade, maybe I ought to send that mule and my old kangaroo over there and put him under arrest. What do you think?
No, you can't put that dog under arrest. He got some Jamaican technology. Man, it sound like I hear Dynamite White in your background. I hear Dynamite White voice, but I don't know who you're talking to. Hey, Deputy Dog, you can't arrest that other dog, because that other dog got Jamaican technology, Timbo.
Oh, he's one of them guys who's got an immunity. What do they call that? To where you can come over here and do whatever you want to for free. Yeah, you're right. I can't arrest him, but I could tie him up and put him in the corner of the bar, maybe.
Well, you can tie him up. You can tie him up and put him at the end of the bar close to your ass. Don't you sitting at one end of the bar, and don't you have an ass? Ain't your ass is at the other end of the bar? I told you I wasn't going to get started. Hey, Deputy Dog, I couldn't resist it, though. Hey, hello to you, Deputy Dog. Hey, Dog, don't mess with that other dog. Hey, Deputy Dog, he don't got dreadlocks. Don't mess with that other dog. You can't lock him up. He don't got dreadlocks, Timbo.
410, hey, you're right. I probably shouldn't mess with him. He'd be messing around. He'd probably steal my kangaroo and my ass. I'd hate to see my ass going down the road without me. Hey, Switchblade, have a good day.
Oh, Deputy Dog, you look convincing. Hey, Deputy Dog, that can't be Dynamite White told somebody you out there eating mountain oysters. Hey, he talking about them damn lobsters. He talking about sea oysters. I don't know if you know what mountain oysters are. Hey, Dynamite White, what the hell are you talking about, bacon?
tell Dynamite White to be nice now. Doggone it. He don't know if I'm eating those or not.
Right, bus driver. David the dog back on top. David the dog said, be nice now. You should, hey, Dynamite White. David the dog, man. Hey, my name, we didn't call him nothing else. They just flat for some nuts, and that's what's up. They some balls, and that's all. Take care of y'all. Switchblade, get down.
Hey, Switchblade. Hey, Switchblade, tell Dynamite White, be careful. He's going to wind up in there with old witch doctor in there inside that kangaroo's pouch, and he'll be finding them balls, and I don't think he'll like it. Hey, Switchblade, tell old Dynamite White, be careful. He'll wind up in that kangaroo pouch with witch doctor. I'll see you.
Ain't good. That's not good. Dynamite White run. That come and hit another gear. Hey, Dynamite White, blue leg off a squeaker. Hey, Dynamite White, that come in and cute up while you let them all cut your radio clean off. So he's gonna put you in a kangaroo pouch upside down, so you can grab them balls before they hit the ground. Hey man, look, I don't know what the hell you talking about. Every time I tell you to put you in a kangaroo pouch upside down so you can catch some balls before they hit the ground. I'm gonna go, David, no, you got me started, bye-bye. Hey, Crown fans around the 10 miles, 16 fans. Hey, Crown David the dog, did you key? Because if you key, he cut your radio off. No, he think, hey, David the dog, he think I'm lying. He think you didn't say, I got, wait a minute, I ain't clearing the Watergate. I ain't even recording. He don't think you said you gonna put him in a kangaroo with witch doctor. I didn't repeat the part. You said you gonna stuff him in a kangaroo pouch with witch doctor upside down. Hey, David the dog, he don't believe you said that. He told me to get my black ass off the radio till go.
Well, that just means he just doesn't know what's going on. Because I said I'm going to put him in that pouch with witch doctor in that kangaroo, and then I'm going to throw them both on top of that ass and, slap that old ass and send it down the road.
Hey, Dynamite White, you miscombobulated. That man, you got him mixed up with Bernie 5. You said that David ain't got one freaking bullet. You got him twisted with Bernie 5. Take care, Dynamite White. You way out front. Bye-bye.
Oh, my goodness. One bullet? Yeah, I got one bullet, all right. But I'll tell you what there, Switchblade. Tell Dynamite White, enjoy his day. Tell him to enjoy his day, but don't look out the window. You'll see a kangaroo peering in at him. I'll see you.
You said he can't shoot no but blanks. You know what today is? Hey, Dynamite White, do you know what today is? Shooting blanks ain't good. Hey, Dynamite White, have a good day. Hey, David the dog, 321, big horn break.
Hello to you, 21 and the big horn.
San Paul, 6-7. Ain't no bad, 321. Dynamite White, 16 peel my ass. Dynamite White kid on everybody now. Dynamite White done grabbed another gear. Hey, you said he should have got his rocks off on Taco Tuesday. Hey, Dynamite White, you said that dog should have got his rocks off on Taco Tuesday. Right.
Hey, Switchblade, tell Dynamite White don't look out the window. He's liable to see a kangaroo looking at him.
On a 555. By David dog, 3 on a 21 in the big on get up out here. I see a duck fucking. God, dog, what you doing? 16 pin, hey, cam up. I want you to cam up, cat nigga. If you cam up, I'll cam up. When I get...
Hello, 1221. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Oh, hell, you saw the sticker on the antenna. You saw my little car in Grand Rapids, Michigan. You saw it. Hey, Dynamite, cam up, cat nigga. 16 peel my ass. You been out here all day, too. I've been in a rental car reading your mail. Dynamite, Switchblade, get down. Yeah, 245. Okay, no. You said Switchblade jump out there like a jack in the box when I get up off that mound. I can hear him. I can say I got 20 dBs on that fucking back scat. I hear him right there jump up and down and laughing and going out. Hump day, what? Chill out, Yeah, you do have my number. What the hell you mean?